talk about a beautiful thing in our night sky. We call it stars. For the first topic is, what is stars? Anyone know what is star? Okay, Africa, please.
Star is something twinkle in the night skies.
Yes, good. And then, any other opinion maybe? Okay, Dinda, please.
Something shiny.
Yes, shining. And then, any other? No? Okay. The star is something that twinkle, shiny, and beautiful in our night sky. But actually, the star is a luminous ball of gas. Mostly is a hydrogen and helium. It held together by its own gravity. That is stars. And then I want to show you how big the star is. Let's compare the size between planets and stars. Please watch this video. Okay, there's planets in our solar system. There's a Mars, and then Venus, the Earth. You are here now. And then there's Neptune, Saturn with rings, and this is the biggest planets in our solar system. And this is the Sun. Just remember that the Sun is a star too. The next is the name of the star. Sirius A, and then there's Pollux, Arcturus, Aldebaran, and so on. From that video, we know that the stars have a very big size and many types. So, for the next topic, I want to tell you some type of stars. Okay, this is a main sequence stars. For example, is our sun, and then this is a red giant star. For example, is Arcturus. This is a hypergiant star. For example, is Rigel. And this is a white dwarf stars. For example, is Sirius B. Okay, before we go to the next topic, Alvitra, can you repeat your opinion about star, please?
Star is something twinkle in the night sky.
Yes, we know that the star is twinkle in the night, but why it's twinkle? Anyone knows? No. Okay, I want to explain it for you. Please watch this video, it may help you guys. The stars twinkle because of two things. The first thing is a long distance between the star and the earth. The second thing is our atmosphere. Do you know what is atmosphere? I don't know. What's that?
Big blanket.
Yes, it's like a big blanket around the earth made of air. Although the stars have a million of miles in diameter, but they are so far away from the earth, so that if this man is looking at the star with a large telescope, they appear only as a pinpoint or dots. Just remember, a pinpoint, not the other things. So, it's easy for Earth's atmosphere to disturb the pinpoint light of a star. As a starlight pierces our atmosphere, each single strip of starlight is reflected by density layers and various temperature in our atmosphere. So that you might think that the star is traveling in a zigzag path to our eyes. And that's why the stars twinkle at night. Okay guys, that's my explanation about stars. Any question maybe? Okay, Sarah please.
We
We know the sun is a star too, but why is not a twinkle?
Okay, that's good question, Syahra. I want to answer your question. The sun is not twinkle because the distance between the sun and the earth is much closer than the distance between the earth and the other stars. It's about the distance. One more question maybe? Okay, after this.
I have to ask you, why do the stars have a different color?
Okay, that's a good question. The stars have a different color because they have a various temperature. For example, is a red star is cooler than the yellow stars, and then the yellow stars is cooler than the white stars, and then the white star is cooler than the blue stars. The blue star is the hottest stars. Okay. You get it? And I think my explanation is enough today. Thanks for your attention, guys. And if you find any mistake,